Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can automatically share your old WordPress posts in WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click to plugins and add a new plugin. And when you will have a new plugin, you want to write revive old posts. And now you're going to see it here, revive old posts, social media auto post, and schedule plugin. Now, when you got it, okay. So first, okay, dismiss. So first you need to connect the account. So let's just account signed to Facebook. I will just add. Nice. Continue. Now I'm just going to next. Okay, done. Okay. So now we have it. So we have my own website here. Then you can add a Twitter. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Then you get like general settings, minimum intro between shares, minimum post age, number of posts, Google Analytics tracking, yes. Post format. You can add additional text if you want to. You don't need to, or you can create a custom schedule, but you need to have a. And then just click to share settings. And you can skip. And stuff like that. So this is how we do it. And this is how you can share all the WordPress posts. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, see ya and goodbye.